Welcome back everybody to Kit Racing. Today I'm going to unbox a 2020 L-Case, US version. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you like what you see, give this video a like. I'd really appreciate it. All right, let's get this started. The regular treasure hunt is the Dune Daddy, and the super treasure hunt is the Chevy pickup. Let's get this open. Looking forward to this one. All right, let's see what we get. Let's get started here. First three is, oh yes, right off the bat, the 2019 Kia Stinger GT. Looking forward to this new model. This is good looking, isn't it? Never seen one of these in the wild, but it's a good looking car. See what the back says. Factory fresh. It's highly detailed. Let's check this out. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. All right, next up is the Too Tough. And we also have a Hot Wheels 450F. Not a big fan of the motorcycles, but still pretty cool casting. Next three, we got this Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo, this Police Edition. That is awesome. I really like this. HW Rescue. Cool. We have this 42 Willys MB Jeep from the last case. And this is from the last case as well, but still, I would love to have more of these. An 86 Monte Carlo Super Sport. It's getting ready to race on the K-Case race coming up. I hope it's fast because it's super awesome. Love the green, love the hood scoop. Just a good looking overall vehicle. All right. Next three. Oh, look at this. The Shelby Cobra 427 SC. That is awesome. Look at that. Nice, feels heavy. The HW Roadsters. That is a good looking car right there. Next to the Formula E Gen 2 car and the Batcopter. It's a cool little guy. I just don't have a lot to do with these just because, well, I guess it would help if I was a kid because you could use your imagination a little bit more, but they're pretty cool either way. We have the Electro Silhouette, which is a cool car, which will be in the K-Case race coming up. We have the BMW M3. That is pretty cool. Not a lot of stuff going on in the front or the back, but it's pretty cool. We have this Land Rover Defender 90, which is a new casting. That is awesome. I love the red. Yeah. It's a nice heavy guy. We'll have to see how he does in a L-Case race coming up. Next three, we have the Alpine 110 Cup. We have a TV series Batmobile. It's kind of cool. I have a couple of these. And then we have the 92 Ford Mustang, which is a cool new recolor. I like it. HW art cars. If you like those art cars, these are pretty cool. It's got reflective wheels on it. That's nice. Next three, we got another Land Rover Defender there on the bottom, which I'll show you. We have a 69 Dodge Charger 500. That is a sweet recolor. The La Fasta coming up in the K-Case race, we'll see. It looks like it's going to be quick. And we also have another one of these, like I said just a second ago, the Land Rover Defender 90. That is a sweet new car. All right, next three. Ooh, we got a recolor on this Corvette. The C7Z06. That is awesome. I like that. It's pretty good looking. Next to, ooh, this 2010 Chevy Impala is sweet. Made it look like a NASCAR. Yeah, that is awesome. Can't wait to race this guy. HW Race Team. You know that means it's fast. All right. And this next one is a 1949 Ford F1. Man, I wish I had one of these. Look at that gorgeous color. Love that car. I'm a big truck fan, so Rod Squad, that's what I'm talking about. It looks nice. All right. Very nice. Very nice. We have the Hot Wheels armored truck. Kind of cool. Oh, yes. We'll take another 57 Chevy any day of the week. This was the Super in the previous case. Still pretty awesome. And we have another Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. Okay. And the next three, we got another 2019 Kia Stinger GT. Can't argue with having more of these. These are pretty sweet. Good looking. And we have another Night Dragon, which we'll find out if he's got any speed to him. And we get another TV series Batmobile. Getting quite the pile over here. Next up, we got a, never gonna argue with another one of these. We got another Audi RS5 Coupe. That is a sweet car. You guys, I just love the black. The black with those wheels on it, just beautiful car. We got a Mad Props that's kind of upside down. It's pretty cool for a plane. And we also have another Night Dragon. Pretty sweet. Feels heavy. Got a lot of detail in it, kind of a cool casting. Okay, next three, we have a Baja truck. I tell you, I like this. I like the color, I like the gray, I like the blue flames, I like the gold wheels. Just kind of a cool casting. Got another Audi RS5 Coupe and a clip rod. Cool. New recolor on the clip rod. Yeah, keep my dollar bills in there. And the final three of the first side is a 1969 Camaro, which is awesome. I mean, these are just awesome cars. We're going to find out how fast he is, too. We have a Roger Dodger 2.0. Always take another one of these. These always have potential to be quick. Now that is cool. The Police Alpha Pursuit. That is awesome. I like that. Yeah, new casting. All right, let's move on to the second half. Okay, let's get to the second half of the case. Let's get this out. First three coming out is this new. Wow. From the Tokyo 2020 series, the Athletics. That is cool. And it's heavy. Fast Felon. That is an awesome car. I haven't seen one of these before. That is super sweet. We'll see if he's quick. All right. We got this Toyota 2000 GT. That's a cool car. I got that in the last case. That's pretty good looking car. It's another one from the Tokyo 2020. Yeah, like I said, you just got to believe these may have some value someday. I don't know. Never know. We got the Formula E Gen 2 car. Another one of those. Looks like he's going to be fast, but I haven't really found one that was too fast yet. Next three will be the, all right, we got another Alpha Pursuit police car, which is a neat new casting, and the Datsun 620. And what is this one? The Forward Force. Oh, cool. You know, he's heavy. Got a metal base on him, plastic top. I don't know. Oh, he's on a track, so you know he's fast. All right. Well, good. Look forward to racing him. Almost want to put him in the K case I'm getting ready to record. But I'll control myself. Next three, we got a Mountain Hauler. There he is. I'll always take another Nerve Hammer. Hey, he's on a track. Always take another Nerve Hammer. It's a pretty good looking car. And he's super fast. And here's the 1971 Dodge Charger. I like that color, the yellow with the red flames, burgundy flames. I got some cool stuff on top there. And the next three, we have another Datsun 620. I have a feeling these Grand Crosses are going to be quick too. We'll find out. And then, ooh, another Circle Tracker. And that recolor is sweet. All right, next three coming up. We got this custom Cadillac Fleetwood, which, like I said in the previous case, I think it kind of looks like a bug. I don't know. I don't even think I'm going to open it. I don't know. I'm sure somebody likes it. We have the Velociracer, and we have this another Circle Tracker. That's always exciting. Always exciting for me. Let's see. I see it. There he is, the Big Air Bel Air. That was from the last case. That is a pretty cool casting. I like those monster tires on there. Never go wrong with a Bel Air. We have another Roger Dodger and another 69 Camaro. Both these cars I love. Good looking cars. Always potential in those. Hey, all right, we got another 2010 Toyota Tundra. I like these monster tires on it. We have a cute little 1991 Mazda MX-5 Miata. That's a cute little guy, bright red. Some decent detail there. Red taillights. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Oh, and here's a 69 Chevy pickup. This is the Super for the case, but this is not a Super. This is the regular, but the Super looks like this with Spectrafame paint and all that stuff. But next three, we have a Too Tough. Ooh, and the Ford Mustang Boss 302. Boy, that is a cool car. I like this. Muscle Mania. That is spectacular. Oh yeah, it's got some pinstripe up there. That's a good looking car. And we have another 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class I got from the last case. I like it though, it's really a cool car. We have another custom Cadillac Fleetwood. We have a 1952 Chevy, which is cool, the Mighty Max. All right, and we also have a Range Rover Velar, which is a cool new recolor. Okay, next three we'll have another Mercedes-Benz A-Class. We have a Velociracer, and we have another 2019 Audi R8 Spider. That is an awesome vehicle. I like the tail lights, the license plate. It's got some good detail on the front. That's just a well-made, nice-looking car, isn't it? We have another Audi R8 Spider. Always take another one of those. We have a HW armored truck, and we have another 1969 Dodge Charger 500. And the final three, I didn't get a Super, dang it. That's all right. We got a Velocita, always a quick car. Used to be the Queen. We have NSX, and we have another Shelby Cobra. That is a cool new, well, cool casting they brought back. Awesome, can't wait to race it. All right, let's go over my favorite cars in the case here. Let's start off with these two. The Land Rover Defender 90. This is a new casting. There we go. And this is a spectacular new casting. I really like it. The color's great. We also have a Forward Force, which I don't know. He's on a track. I think he's gonna have some potential. These next two, the 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 302 is just awesome. And so is this Shelby Cobra. Those two cars just are almost worth the case right there. Nice heavy cars. The next three will be the 1969 Chevy pickup. I like these, always like a Batmobile, and the Alpha Pursuit is a cool new casting. That is pretty cool. May have to defend my king. May have to defend the king. And the final two is this 2010 Chevy Impala that looks like a NASCAR, and then this 2019 Kia Stinger GT. Just really a neat casting. It's got good detail on it. So, all right, you guys, I appreciate you watching, and be looking forward to an L case race. I'm about to post, I've been a little busy, I'm about to post the K case race coming up very soon, which is a down and back 35 foot. So again, thanks for watching. Hit your subscribe button, and see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.